Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm taking a look at and unboxing the Eufy by Anker Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0 RoboVac G30. It says, welcome to hands-free cleaning. So that's cool. It works with Wi-Fi. It has path tracking, multiple sensors, and it has 200 PA super strong suction. So if you're thinking of decking out your smart home this season with a robotic vacuum, let me recommend the Eufy by Anker. So it comes with all the accessories that you see here, all the brushes, attachments. You can organize your different cables with the ties. Also has the air filter that it comes with, and then this is the charging base right here. So this will go up into the charging base and charge itself. And here is the unit itself. It has a play pause button, charge mode, and a clean mode. So you just press those buttons if you don't want to use the app or the Wi-Fi connection, and then we'll flip it over. And here's all the goodies on the bottom. So this is where you attach the different brushes right here. One goes here, and then another one goes there also if you happen to break this one. So they give you two. And then here are the brushes down below. And then this is the container here on the inside. And then the battery compartment is here. And you have nice big thick wheels, so if you have thicker carpet, shouldn't be a problem. And this is the Eufy by Anker RoboVac G30. Take that smart home game to the next level with a robotic vacuum this season. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.